In this lecture, we are doing problems based on summation. So first problem is sum of all 4-digit number which is formed by using 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we have two part, repetition not allowed, second is what, repetition allowed. So first we are doing repetition not allowed. Now solution. Okay, first part is what, repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. Okay, now we want sum of all 4-digit number. Okay, so first we are finding total possible 4-digit number. So first we are finding total possible 4-digit number. Okay, so we want total possible 4-digit number. That means you have to take 4 place. Okay, and all the 4 place you have to fill by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we want 4-digit number. That means you have to fill all the 4 place. That means your task is what, filling all the 4 place. Okay, now here 0 is not there. That means you can start from anywhere. Okay, suppose you are starting from here. Okay, now for filling this place, how many choice we have? Okay, here we can put 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also. How many choice we have? 4 choice. Multiplication, because you have to fill other place also. Okay, now for filling this place, how many choice we have? Out of 4 number, 1 number is coming here. Suppose 1 is coming here. That means we can't repeat 1 here because repetition is what, not allowed. That means for filling this place, how many choice we have? Here we can put either 2 or 3 or 4. How many choice we have? 3 choice. Again multiplication. Correct. Now out of 4 number, 2 number is coming here. Remaining is about 2 number. So for filling this place, how many choice we have? 2 choice. Again multiplication. Now you have to fill this place also. Okay, so out of 4 number, 3 number is coming here. Okay, remaining is what, 1 number. So how many choice we have? Only 1 choice. So what will come? 4 into 3 into 2 is what? 24. So total possible number is what? 24. Okay, but we want summation of all the 24 number. Okay, so what you will do, out of 4 place, at unity place if you fix 1. Okay, at unity place you are fixing 1. Okay, now you are finding in how many numbers unity place is 1. So out of 24 number, in how many number unity place is 1. That means you are fixing 1 here. Okay, now remaining 3 place you have to fill. Okay, so this place how many number we can put? Okay, we can't repeat 1 again. That means you can fill this place by 2, 3 or 4. So how many choice we have? 3 choice. Again multiplication. Okay, now you have to fill this place also. Okay, this place how many number are remaining? 2 numbers. So for filling this place, how many choice we have? 2 choice. Again multiplication. Same thing for this place, how many choice we have? Only 1 choice. Okay, so what will come? 6. So we can say that out of 24 number, there are 6 number where unity place is 1. Similarly, if you put at unity place is 2. Okay, if unity place is 2, how many number are possible where unity place is 2? So same way you have to do. So this place we can put how many number? 3 number. Into this place how many number? 2 number. And this place how many number? 1 number. Okay, so what will come? 3 into 2, 6. Same you will do for 3 also and 4 also. Correct? For them also it will come same only. 6, 4 is there to the will come 6. Okay, that means we can say that out of 24 number, there are 6 number where unity place is what? 1. And there are 6 number where unity place is what? 2. And there are 6 number where unity place is what? 3. And there are 6 number where unity place is what? 4. Okay, now if you find out in all the 24 numbers sum of unity place. Okay, so we are finding sum of unity place. Sum of unity place of all 24 number. Okay, that means out of 24 number, there are 6 number where unity place is what? 1. Okay, that means in 6 number unity place is what? 1. So sum of unity place is what? 1 into 6 plus there are 6 number unity place is what? 2. Okay, so 2 is repeating in 6 times. So what will come? 2 into 6 plus similarly 3 is repeating how many times? 6 times. Okay, so 3 we have to read 6 times. So 3 into 6 plus similarly 4 also repeating 6 times. So if you add 4, what will come? 4 into 6. Okay, so what will come? Sum of unity place is what? 6 we can take outside. What will come? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so sum of unity place is what? 6 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so we got sum of unity place of 24 number. That will be what? 6 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so that will be what? S. Okay, now what we are doing, there are 4 places. Okay, now at second place we are fixing 1. Okay, now we are finding out of 24 number in how many numbers 1 is there at unit second place. Okay, so what will come? This place how many number we can put? 3 number. Okay, this place how many number we can put? 2 number. This place how many number we can put? 1 number. So what will come? 3 into 2 into 1, so that will what? 6. Okay, so out of 24 number there are 6 number where second place is what? 1. Okay, same thing we will do for 2 also. Okay, so there are 4 place and 2 we are fixing at second place. So what will come? Here we can put 3 number, here we can put how many number? 2 number, and here we can put 1 number. So what will come? 1 into 2 into 3, that will also 6. Okay, same for 3 also. Okay, that also will come what? 6 only. Okay, and same we will do for 4 also. So that will come what? 6. Correct. Now sum of second place. Okay, so sum of second place. Okay, so that will what? See, 1 is repeating how many times? 6 times. So 1 into 6 plus 2 into 6 plus 3 is repeating how many times? 6 times. So 3 into 6 plus 4 is coming how many times? 6 times. So 4 into 6. Okay, here also if I take 6 common, what will come? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, that will come what? S. Okay, same if I put 1 here. Okay, that means how many numbers are there where third place is what? 1. So this place 3 number, this place 2 number, this place 1 number. Same you will do for 2 also. If 2 is here, and how many numbers are there where third place is what? 2. So what will come? This place is what? 3, this place is what? 2, and this place is what? 1. So what will come? 3 into 2, 6. Okay, same thing for 3 also will come. Okay, so for that also 6 will come, and same thing for 4 also will come. Okay, that also will come 6. Okay, so what will come? Same summation will come. Okay, so sum of third place is S, and same for sum of fourth place is S. Okay, so sum of first place also S, sum of second place also S, sum of third place also S, sum of fourth place also S. That we got. So we got sum of unity place equal to sum of second place equal to sum of third place equal to sum of fourth place, that is equal to S, where S is what? 6 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so this will be S. Okay, now we want sum of all the 4-digit number, which is formed by using 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we want sum of all the 4-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we know that sum of unity place of all the number is what? S. Okay, similarly sum of second place also S, and similarly sum of third place is also S, and sum of fourth place also S. Okay, then sum of all the number is what? Sum of unity place S into 1 plus sum of second place, that is also S, into 10 plus sum of third number, that is S, into 10 square plus sum of fourth place, that is also S, into 10 cube. Okay, here we can take S common. So what will come? 10 cube plus 10 square plus 10 plus 1. Okay, so what will come? This one? S into 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 10 cube plus 10 square plus 10 plus 1 is what? 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, now S is what? 6 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So what will come? 6 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 into 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so that is the summation of all the numbers where repetition is not allowed. So we have solved first part, repetition is not allowed. Now we are solving repetition is allowed. Okay, so second part is repetition is allowed. Okay, so we want sum of all 4-digit number where repetition is what? Allowed. Okay, so for solving this problem also, what you have to do, we are taking 4 place. Okay, so first you are finding total possible number. Okay, so you have to fill all the 4 place because you want 4-digit number. Okay, and digits are what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here 0 is not there. That means we can start from anywhere. Okay, suppose you are starting from here. Okay, so for filling this place, how many choice we have? 4 choice. Again multiplication. Okay, repetition is allowed. That whatever number will come here, that we can repeat. So for filling this place also we have how many choice? 4 choice. Again multiplication. For filling this place also we have 4 choice. Again multiplication. For filling this place also we have 4 choice. Okay, so total possible number is what? 4 power 4. Okay, now if I take unity place is 1, okay, then we are finding out of 4 power 4 numbers, in how many numbers unity place is 1. Okay, so that means you have to fill other 3 place also. Okay, so here how many number can come? 4 number, because repetition is allowed. Okay, similarly this place also you have to fill, so what will come? 4. Again this one also you have to fill, so what will come? 4. Okay, so what will come? 4 into 4 into 4, so what will come? 4 cube. Okay, so we can say that out of 4 power 4 numbers, there are 4 cube numbers where unity place is what? 1. Similarly, if you put unity place is 2. Okay, so now we are finding in out of 4 power 4 number, in how many numbers unity place is 2. Okay, same way you have to do. This place we can fill 4 number, this place also we can put 4 number, and this place also we can put 4 number. Okay, we have to multiply because we have to fill all the 3 place. So what will come? 4 cube. Okay, similarly if you put instead of 2, if I put 3, okay, for that also we'll get 4 cube only. Okay, similarly for 4 also, what will come? 4 cube. Okay, now in 4 power 4 number, if you find out sum of unity place, okay, so 1 is coming at how many time? 4 cube times. So what will do? Summation of sum of unity place. Okay, that I'm using what? S. Okay, so S is what? 1 is repeating 4 cube times, so 1 into 4 cube, plus 2 is repeating 4 cube times, so 2 into 4 cube, plus 3 is repeating how many times? 4 cube times, so 3 into 4 cube, plus 4 is repeating how many times? 4 cube times, so what will come? 4 into 4 cube. Okay, we can take 4 cube common, what will come? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so sum of unity place is what? 4 cube into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, similarly if I take 1 here, okay, if I take 1 at second place, then how many numbers are there where second place is 1? So here we have to put 4 number, here also we have to put 4 number, here also we put 4 number. So what will come? 4 into 4 into 4, 4 cube will come. Similarly for 2 also, similarly for 3 also, similarly for 4 also. That means we can say if you find out sum of second place, that also will come out as only. So we can say that sum of second place is also as. Okay, and same as if you find out sum of third place, that also will come out as only. So sum of third place is equal to sum of fourth place is equal to s. Same way we can find out sum of second place, sum of third place, sum of fourth place. Okay, all will come out equal. Okay, we know sum of first place, sum of second place, sum of third place, sum of fourth place. Okay, then how to find a summation? Okay, so s into first place. Okay, so if first place summation is what? S, then you have to multiply with 1 plus, okay, second place summation is what? S, so s into 10. Okay, third place summation is what? S only, so s into 10 square, and fourth place summation is what also? S only, so what will come? S into 10 cube. Okay, so we can take what? S common, what will come? 10 cube plus 10 square plus 10 plus 1. Okay, and S is what? 4 cube into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So what will come? 4 cube into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 into 10 cube plus 10 square plus 10 plus 1 is what? 1111. Okay, this is your answer when repetition is allowed. We have solved this problem. Now I am telling direct formula for solving these type of problems. Okay, so we are finding sum of all n digit number Okay, instead of 4 I'm taking n digit number, which is formed by using non-zero digits. Okay, this formula whatever I will give, that is valid for both. Okay, repetition allowed and repetition is not allowed. Okay, and this thing is very important. We are taking all the digits is non-zero. Okay, this formula is valid for non-zero digits only. Okay, if zero is included, then we have to modify this formula. Okay, now according to this formula, what we have to do, we want sum of n digit number. That means you have to take n place. Okay, n place. Okay, n is what? Number of place. So we are taking n place. Okay, so first we are finding total number of way to fill n place by using given digit. Okay, first we are finding total number of way to fill n place by using given digit. Okay, after then this one we have to divide by number of given digit. Number of given digit. Okay, and this whole we have to multiply with sum of given digit. Sum of given digit, and this one you have to multiply with. Okay, so we are taking how many place? N place. Okay, then this one you have to multiply with 10 power 0 plus 10 power 1 plus 10 power 2 plus 1 plus 10 power n minus 1. Okay, where n is what? N is number of place. Okay, so this will go from 10 power 0 to 10 power n minus 1. Okay, so number of places what? N. So this is your formula for finding sum of n digit number where repetition allowed and repetition not allowed.